Namah Shivaya. Namaste everyone. Today I will explain you the energy of meditation. When you practice meditation, what type of changes happen in your body and in your spirit, in your mind. We have an invisible aura around our body, which is around 6 inches outside the body. For a common person, for a normal person, this is the size, about 6 inches. How do we know about that? How do we feel that energy? When you are talking with someone, if someone gets too close to you, by nature you take one step back and you say, oh sorry, it was too close. Because when some other person touches your aura, it makes you feel discomfortable. So we try to protect ourselves from others, not to get too close. That is the reason when you travel in a crowd, when you travel in a public transport, you feel tired even after 1 hour traveling, because you are too close to people, and there are different type of energies, negative and positive and aggressive and anger, with so many different emotions. So everyone is mainly negative energy is trying to suck up the positive energy. That's why even after 1 hour you feel tired, which is very unusual, because if you travel alone in a car, you don't feel that much tired. So what is the reason? The reason is because when some unknown people enter in your personal aura, it makes you tired. I give you another example. When someone you love, you hug someone and you stay close to someone physically, it doesn't hurt you, it doesn't bother you, because that is a familiar aura. That's how our personality behaves. But here we are discussing how to increase that aura, how to make it bigger and bigger, so that it will be not easy for negative energy to come close to us. Now the flow of our energy is from in to out. Like I can see you, I can see the things around me, I can feel the temperature from outside. Everything is related to outside of my body. What we have to do now is to change the flow, of energy from outside to inside. We have a beautiful concept in Sanskrit for this. Remember this word Radha. Radha is a mythical lover of a god Krishna. Radha is outside, the lover is outside. But when you change the word from right to left, it becomes Dhara. Dhara means flow. So when you change the flow of your energy, your aura starts to increase. And let me give you a very easy tip, a very easy technique for meditation. You stand with a straight back and legs apart a bit. Relax your body, both feet apart about 1.5 to 2 feet distance from each other, and lose your body completely. Lose yourself completely. And close your eyes and try to find out the middle point of your body. the center point of your body. It's in the middle of the body, not left, not right. It seems when you stand that you are half using your left side, half using your right side, but that's not completely true. When you will close your eyes, you will feel the difference. Your body is moving left and right. So sometimes it's on the left side, sometimes it's on the right side, but what we have to do is we have to bring it in the middle. Keep focusing in the middle of your body and try to balance your weight with both feet, with help of your both shoulders if needed. After some practice, you will feel that you have found out the middle point. The moment you get that middle point, that is the most amazing, blissful moment you have got. And the moment you have find out the middle point of your body, you will forget the whole body. Your whole body will start to feel light like a water. There will be no physical existence in your feelings. Just you will be concentrated in middle point of your body. That's all. That's what you have to do every time you got a time to practice this meditation technique, and it will bring you to amazing results, not only for body but also for the mind. People who have emotional disbalance, they're easy to get angry, easy to get excited, easy to get happy, and easy to get sad. This technique is amazing for them to bring up the emotional balance. And people who are feeling discomfort in their spine and both legs, and even for the back pain I have experienced, this meditation technique is amazing. You practice this and experience this, and let me know how do you feel about this. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. I will see you around. Namaste. Thank you.